I met you, I've been hooked ever since. I'm trying to lock you down. Listen, man.